Hi there, this is Journal Exo from Pro Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to talk about Paid Membership Pro. This is one of the best plugins for you to transform your WordPress website into a membership website. And in this video I'm going to first explain how you can install this plugin, second how you can configure it, and third, in the ending of this video I'm just going to do a small testing so you can get a good idea of how everything works. Now, why do you want a membership website? Well, it's always a good way for you to earn some money with the information that you have inside of your website, because you can restrict the most valuable content that you have, and if someone wants to read it, they need to pay for a membership. Now, this plugin is free for you to use. You don't need to pay anything for you to use Paid Membership Pro. Even though I always suggest if later on you start doing some money with the free version, for you to invest just some money so you can upgrade your account and get some extra features. Also, it's easy for you to install this plugin. It's easy for you to use the several options that come with this plugin and also manage the subscribers that you have. It also provides a lot of good insight. I mean, you can see the amount of subscribers that you are receiving on a daily basis, see if you are actually improving your results, the amount of money that you are doing, and also the number of orders and so on. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before I install Pay Memberships Pro on my WordPress website, I want to show to you the different plannings that you have with this plugin. So for that, you need to go to their website, which is paidmembershipspro.com, or you can click on the link on the description from this video so you can immediately jump to their website. Once you are here, you want to click on the pricing link. And you can see that below you have three different plannings to choose from. The one that I'm going to show to you throughout this video is the free planning. And the free planning just comes with the plugin download and also the documentation, which is basically the tutorial that belongs to this plugin. Then you have the PMPro Core at $97, and this comes with a few extra features such as member support forums and also developer chats. So basically it gives you more contact with the community that belongs to this plugin. Then lastly, you have PMPro Plus at $197, and it comes with all of the features that come with this plugin. So you get, for example, the member lit theme, and this is a special design for your website that belongs to Paid Membership Pro. It was designed by their team, and it's appropriate for you to use this plugin. So you can click on the previous link, go to live demo, so you can get a better idea of how this design looks once you install it in your WordPress website. So you can see it looks pretty good. It also comes with different colors that you can choose from. You don't need to use the one that you can see over here. You can choose other colors for your WordPress website. And also you have several add-ons that you can integrate with this plugin. PMPro license key, one-click add-on installs and updates, advanced code recipes. So it comes with all of the different features. Okay, so once you have saw the plannings, let's go back to my website so I can install this on my WordPress website. Once you are in the back end of your WordPress website, you want to go to the sidebar, to the plugin section, and you want to press Add New. Now, in the search box, you want to search for Paid Memberships Pro. And you will see that it's the first plugin that appears in this listing. You can click on the more details link so you can get further explanation about this plugin and the several features that come with it. And then just press the Install Now button so you can start using it and activate. Okay, now I have the plugin installed in my WordPress website. Now let's head to the memberships area, and let's first talk about the page settings. Now in this section you can see that it's asking for you to insert the appropriate pages to each section. And you can see that I don't have a appropriate page for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to automatically generate them by clicking on this link that you can see on the top section. Click here to let us generate them for you. So you just click here and you can see that it's done quickly. And now you have all of the necessary pages. And you can even view page so you can get a better idea of how they look like inside of your WordPress website. Now, as you can see, this is my menu, and I would like to add a link with all of these pages, as you can see here, on my menu. So for that, I'm going to create a custom menu. So I'm going back to my backend of my website, and I'm going to Appearance, and I'm going to select Menus over here, and I'm going to open this in a new tab. You can see that I already have a main menu, but I don't have all of the necessary pages. So if you still don't have a menu, you might want to press this link to create a new menu. So I'm just going to basically select everything that I have over here and just add to menu. And now I'm going to put all of these sections as a sub page inside of my main page, which is membership account. And I'm just going to save menu, and once I refresh my website, you can see that now I have this new link appearing on my navigation bar with all of the necessary pages, so people are able to easily manage their account. So you can see I have all of these pages. I can go to membership invoice, see my invoices, membership confirmation, all of these different pages. And if someone wants to cancel their membership, they also have this option, and so on. Let's go back to page settings. And now let's go to the other tab, which is Payment Gateway and SSL. Here you can choose the payment gateway that you want your visitors to use. In my case, I'm going to stick with testing only, but you might want to choose another one, such as PayPal, Stripe, PayPal, Authorize, Braintree to checkout, and also Cybersource. So it really depends on the way that you prefer your visitors to pay for their membership. Below, you might need to insert some tax information. And I also recommend for you to use and also have a SSL certificate, because you always want to protect your visitors once they insert, for example, their bank account information. You want to protect that information from them by encrypting it so nobody can hack it, get their information, and use it. So I recommend for you to have an SSL certificate. And once you have it, you will get SSL seal, which is basically a piece of coding in HTML or JavaScript, which you just need to copy and paste it into this blank spacing over here that you can see. Once that is done, you just press the Save Settings. And now you just go to the Email tab. All the message belonging from WordPress and also from Paid Membership Pro will be sent to your email inbox using the following address: wordpress@yourdomain.com. Now, if you want to, for example, separate your WordPress messages from your Paid Membership Pro messages, you can use the option below. You just need to choose another email address and also another name and check this option. Then once you receive your WordPress messages, it will have the email address that you inserted over here and also the name. In this case, I'm going to uncheck this. Then below, it's really up to you when you want to receive notifications to your email inbox. You have several options here. Check out when a member checks out, you receive a notification, and you have other ones that you may want to choose from. Over here, it sends a notification email to your new subscribers. It's something that I don't recommend because your subscribers already receive a notification once they subscribe to your membership. So now I'm just going to save settings, and I'm going to advanced option. Here you can see the several messages that will appear to your visitors depending on the situation. For example, message for logged in non-members. So this is the message that will appear to your non-members once they go to a page that is restricted to them. And you can edit this information. Same thing with the messages below. And this option, filter searches and archives, I recommend for you to keep this on yes, because you want to restrict your posts and pages to appear to your non-members in the searches and also archives of your website. SERPs to non-members. Well, this option I would consider putting yes, because it's always a good idea for your non-members to, if they go to a page that is restricted to them, they're able to see a glimpse of the information that they may get if they actually get a membership with you. And it might be something that entices them to actually get a membership inside of your website. User CAPTCHA. This is a good option if you want to block bots from automatically creating an account in your website. So for this, you just click on this link over here and just follow the next steps. Also, you have two options to choose from. You can use reCAPTCHA just for your free memberships only or for all memberships. Required terms of service on signups. This is the terms of service page that will appear in your signup. For this, you need to create a new page. So you just go to pages and you just add new. And I'm going to call this page terms of service. And of course, you want to add your terms of service below. In this case, I'm just going to leave it blank and publish it. And now I'm just going to save settings so I can refresh everything. And required terms of service, I'm going to select the page that I just created and press save settings once more. Closing this tab and also this one, which I no longer need. And on this page you have everything done, so let's go to the add-ons. Here you are able to see the listing of add-ons that you may want to include using this plugin Paid Memberships Pro. And the ones that you see that belong to type WordPress.org, those are the free add-ons that you may want to include. Other ones, you actually need to have the Plus version of this plugin so you can add them to your WordPress website. So as you may see, I have a good listing of different add-ons that you may want to include. So you may want to choose a few of them if you like. And now let's go to membership levels. In this page, you can add different membership levels to your website. For example, in my case, I'm going to create a free membership level. This allows my free subscribers to get some basic information inside of my website. And also, I'm going to make a premium membership level. So if anyone wants to get more advanced tips inside of my website, they can pay a monthly fee for that. So for you to add a new membership level, you just click on this button, Add New Level. You want to choose a name for this membership level. Let's call it Free Membership. Also a description. You can write whatever you want. Confirmation message. Let's say thank you for subscribing. And over here you can see billing details. So initial payment is how much you want people to initially pay so they can create a membership inside of your website. And since this is free, I'm going to just put over here 0. And it won't have any kind of recurring subscription payment because this is free. Other settings, disable new signups. This is something that I'm going to leave unchecked. Membership expiration. This might be something that you want to check. For example, let's say that after a year, this member account will expire, and you might want to use this option. And you can see below content settings, you have categories, and in this case I just haven't categorized. I recommend for you to create a category for each membership level, because later on, as you will see, you can use categories to block specific content inside of your website. So for you to create a category, you go to Posts and you select Categories. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And I'm going to create a category for my free members. It's called Free. And add new category. Now I'm going to create one for my premium members. And also add new category. Okay, so let's go back to the previous page. Save level. Let's go once again to edit, so I can choose the category that I want to use for this membership level. And let's select free category and just save level once again. Now we have our free membership level, and I'm going to create a premium one. This is the one that will generate income inside of my website. So I just click on Add New Level. I'm going to name it Premium Membership. Description, let's say enjoy your crazy tips or something like that. Confirmation, let's say thanks for subscribing. And billing details, let's say initial payment. I want this person to pay $15 so they can have a membership in my website. Recurring subscription, so basically how much I want my members to pay each month. So billing amount, let's say $10 per each month, and the cycle will be, the limit cycling will be of 12. So basically during 12 months, this person each month will need to pay $10 so they can keep their subscription. Custom trial, you may want to add a trial in your membership. It's really up to you. And below, disable new signups, membership expiration. I'm actually going to check this option, and let's say expires in 1 year from now. And categories, in this case I'm going to choose premium and just save level. And now you can see that I have two different levels. I have the free one and also the premium membership level. So you can see that $15 now, so they can subscribe, and then $10 per month during 12 more months. So each month they need to pay $10 so they can do the 12 cyclings. So now I'm going to show to you how you can actually restrict information inside of your website. So let's go to all of the posts that I have in my website. Here you can see that I already have 2 posts for my premium members and 2 other for my free members. Now the easiest way for you to restrict information inside of your website is by using the categories option, which I already created previously. So let's say that you want to restrict some posts inside of your website. What you do is you choose the post that you want to restrict and you press on Quick Edit. And you can see that you have the categories over here. In this case, I just want this information to be shown to my members who have paid for their membership. So what I do is I check in categorized and I choose premium. I'm not going to choose the free category because, well, I don't want my free members to be able to see this content. So I'm going to leave it unchecked and just press update. Now I'm going to do the same thing below. And for my free content, I want my free members to be able to see this content, but of course I also want my premium members to be able to see this content. So I choose both categories. Now categories is great when you want in bulk to basically restrict a lot of posts inside of your website. As you may see, it's quick for you to do this. Now the problem about categories is that you cannot use it inside of your pages, but you have another option to do this. So you go to the page that you want. Well, in this case this is a post, but it has the same option that you will see inside of your pages, and you just press on Edit. And you can see that below you have required membership. So in this case this is for my free members, So I'm going to check this option, and also for my premium members. And I check both options, and this will restrict my posts this way. And just press update. Okay, so this is basically how you can restrict the information inside of your website. Now I'm going to show to you how you can start adding some users to your website. So you go to membership and you go to members list. As you may see over here in the members list, I don't have any kind of members, nor do I have any option to add new members. That's because Paid Membership Pro uses the users that I have over here in WordPress. So I'm going to all users, and you can see that at the moment I just have myself, and I'm going to add a new member, or a new user in this case. So I'm going to add a username. Let's call this guy John. That's his username. His email can be, let's say, John something, outlook.com, and first name John, last name it may be Marta. This guy doesn't have a website. Also, you can see show password. This is the password that it's selected. I want something more simple. Let's say just this. Confirm that use of weak password. Yes, this is weak. Send user notification and subscriber. And I just had new user. Now you can see that I have a new user over here. And if I want, I can change the membership level because I don't have any level for this person. So what I do is I go to edit. And you can see that right below current level, you can choose the level that you want for this user. So let's give this user a free membership. You can set it when you want this person membership to expire. In this case, I'm not going to do anything over here, and just update user. Okay, now let's add a new user, in this case for a premium account, and let's call this guy Antonio. So Antonio, and let's make it, let's say it's Antonio Banderas. You decided to go to my website and subscribe for some reason. And Antonio Banderas. Show password, something more simple. So I'm able to log in and just add new user. So now I have a premium and also a free user. And once again, I'm going to the edit, in this case of Antonio. And I'm going below, and current level, I want to choose premium level. And press update user. Okay, so now I'm going to show to you what happens if I log in as a free member. Okay, so let's say that John goes to my website and he wants to log in. He goes right below. You can see on Meta, I have a login option. And I just put over here my username. Let's say this is John. And also a password. And now I log in to the backend. And I can go to the front of my website. And you can see that he's only able to see the free content that he has. He's not able to see anything besides the free content. For example, if John goes over here, and let's say he somehow finds the URL of my premium content, which is this one. So this is for my premium content, and he's a free user. You can see that he only sees an excerpt. And the reason why he sees the excerpt is because I selected that option so that person or non-members are able to see just a glimpse so they can get an idea. And if they see a glimpse, they may want to get a premium membership because of it. So you can see that the rest is blocked. And if that person wants to see the rest of the content, they need to register, as you may see. So once they click on register, they have two options. I already have the free membership, so I don't need this option. I cannot select this option. I can only get the premium membership by selecting this option, which later on I'm going to show to you how you can do that. Once you are here, you can also see that you have several other options. And in this case, I'm just going to log out for now. And I'm going to back to my website as an administrator, so I can show to you how you can have some shortcodes. You can see inside of this post I already have a few shortcodes integrated. And this basically gives me, it restricts several areas in my website this way by using these shortcodes. But you also have other shortcodes that you can find inside of their website. So I'm going to their website, PMPro. And once you go here, you want to go to Docs. And you want to go to Content Controls. And inside of Content Controls, you have over here with shortcodes. Click on this link, and you can see that you have several shortcodes that you can insert inside of your website. This allows you to restrict your information in several ways that you are not able to do if you are just using categories or using this option below. So you can check this shortcodes and see what you want to do with this. As you can see, this allows me to show for anyone not in level 1, including non-members and visitors, by using this shortcode. I recommend for you to try these shortcodes and see if you want to use them in particular posts or pages that you may have. And now let's go to another option. Let's go over here to memberships, and let's go to reports. In reports, you are able to see the number of visits, views, logins to your members' website. Also, you can see the amount that you are earning today, this month, this year, and so on. You can get all of this nice information over here. And later on, you will see more exactly. I'm going back over here once I do the testing of everything. You can also go to orders and see the orders that you have received has new members in your website. And also you have discount codes. This is really good, the discount codes. This allows you to add particular codes that people can use once you are purchasing a membership inside of your website. So let's add a new discount code by using that button on the top. And let's call this, let's give this 20% discount. So let's say 20, discount 20 for this. You can also set specific dates that you want this code to have, and also expiration date. Let's say that this ends in December. And uses, I'm just going to leave this blank. And this will give access to the premium membership. And now you need to put over here an initial payment, the amount that you want to discount once this person inserts this code. So 20% is what is about $12, I think. This person will receive a discount of $3 over the initial pricing. And also you have billing amount, billing cycle limits, custom trial, membership, and then just save code. Okay, I basically have explained all of the different areas that you can use of Membership Pro. Now I'm just going to do a small testing. So I'm going over here. Let's get to the front page. Now let's imagine that I'm a new visitor. I go to this website and I want to register as a premium member. So I'm going to show to you how this works and how it works for you as an administrator of your website. So I go over here to membership accounts and I have two options. I'm going to select the premium membership. So I'm going to select this option. And I need a username, so I'm going to call it, let's say, Marco. A password over here. Confirm password. An email. Let's say Marco Outlook. And actually, I'm going to put something a bit more complicated over here. First name Marco. Marco something. Let's say something. An address can be Lisbon, city, and state. This is actually Portugal. So I need to select the country. Let me see if I can find it. Portugal. And postal code. And a phone number, let's say. Just like this. And I need a card number. So I'm going to get a fake card number. Fake credit card number. And I'm just going to grab this one. This is a MasterCard and see if it works over here. So I'm going to put over here this information. Expiration date. And also I'm going to put the discount code. Let's say discount 20 and apply. So you can see that it actually discounted over here. The price is no longer $15, but instead $12 because I have this coupon code. And now I read the terms of service. In this case, I don't have anything because I don't have anything on the terms of service page. And I just submit and check out. And you can see that I have created an account. I have all over here all of the necessary information. Now let's go to the backend as an administrator and see how everything works. So let's go to the dashboard area. And in this case, I'm in the discount page. But you can see that once I go to the members list, now I have a new member, which is Marco. And also you have some extra information such as the billing address, membership, and so on. All of this nice information over here. You can also go to reports and you can see that you have some extra information about the sale that you just did today, or if you did more sales. You can see the amount of revenue that you have been doing in your website. And if you go to orders, you can see who made the order. In this case, it was Marco. So that's basically how you can use this plugin called PMPro and how you can manage your website and how everything works when it comes to this plugin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comment, just make sure to leave in the comment section right below from this video. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Also, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive my weekly video updates where I talk about WordPress, internet marketing, and a lot more. So stay there, stay tuned with Pro Site Tutorials, and bye!
I said a little